In this review, we will dive deep into Insightly features, the pricing, the pros and cons to help you decide if it is the right fit for your business. So to get started, what is Insightly in itself? Insightly is like a super organized toolbox for your business. It helps you keep track of all your customers and leads, that's customer relationship management or Insightly CRM. It also helps you plan and manage your project from start to finish with the project management and all the best. It can automate a lot of your repetitive task workflow automation. You can have more time to focus on growing your business. And here the key benefit, the top benefit of Insightly. It comes with all-in-one platform. Insightly combines CRM tools to project management and marketing automation in one place, eliminating the need for multiple software subscription, and also enhance your customers' relationship with efficient project management and a powerful marketing automation. And here are the key features or the best features of this platform, which is the task level and the contact. So never lose your track of customers or lead again with the help of these contact features and the lead, which help you turn the leads into customers with insight lead management tools with organization. And talking about the pricing plan, you have different varieties of plans, starting from the plus, the professional and the enterprise. If you want more information, can simply refer to the website to get more about the pricing plan. And talking about the pros and cons, understanding the strength and the weakness of any software is crucial before making an investment. So talking about the pros, which is like the advantages, it comes with an intuitive interface with a comprehensive features and customizable platform and a seamless integration with a reliable support. And talking about the downside, it has a steep learning curve and the pricing for some people and the limited marketing automation. So that's it. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section about this Insightly website.